Model 2017 IVECO Daily 35S142.3 HPI 3520X long wheelbase, Euro 6 long MOT low mileage body, white, panel van mileage, 87,010 MOT, the 11th of July 2024 engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411JC transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Rear brake pads will need replacing as the brakes are not 100% efficient at the moment. Condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. XLWB 3520 model features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £9,575. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400